So how to use Notcoin with Telegram wallet. So here is Telegram wallet bot. I'm just exploring it with you. So you just search for @wallet. Uh, and then, yeah, billion Notcoin for wallet users. Wallet and Notcoin launch a special campaign. Deposit up to 100 ton to a bonus account in wallet and earn 5 Not for each ton daily. So here's, you can just open up your wallet. Then you can just tap start earning, and then you just need to, for example, then you need to buy more ton, and then payment method, and then a credit card, and then you can just then you need to verify with your phone number and proceed from here. So that's the idea. So as you can see here, it is it says just the idea how you can buy that, but it's also like how do you connect your Toncoin to Telegram wallet. So here is Toncoin. There's Ton.org website. There's just settings. I think actually Toncoin is Ton's native cryptocurrency, so maybe like this is your basic wallet. So maybe you don't even need to connect any Tonkeeper app or anything, because in your wallet you just have Toncoin as a default currency, as I understand. I can be mistaken, but that's what I see here, because I also have like a Tonkeeper app, and that's like a different. So yeah, so here you have it. So that's what it is.